Hello, and welcome back to the Daily Past, where we explore the world's most intriguing stories in depth. Today, we've got a truly remarkable story that not only shows the power of defense technology, but also shines a light on India's diplomatic genius. In a time of global conflict, India has managed to achieve something truly incredible. It's brokered a deal between two countries at war, Russia and Ukraine, to ensure the completion of its naval order. That's right. India has successfully navigated the complex waters of diplomacy to receive a state-of-the-art warship in the middle of the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. This isn't just about a new ship for the Indian Navy. It's a testament to India's growing global influence and diplomatic skill. Let's dive into this fascinating story of how India pulled off this remarkable diplomatic win. On December 9, 2024, India took delivery of the INS Tushil, an advanced stealth missile frigate that will bolster its naval strength. The INS Tushil is not just any ship. It's a high-tech warship built as part of the Kriva 3 class frigates for India's navy. But here's the catch. This ship, built by Russia, runs on Ukrainian-made gas turbines. Now, why is this so important, especially when Russia and Ukraine are in the middle of a brutal war? To understand the significance, we need to look beyond the ship itself and consider what's happening behind the scenes. You see, while the war between Russia and Ukraine rages on, India found itself in a unique position, one where it had to work with both countries to get its order completed. Despite the ongoing conflict, India successfully navigated the political minefield and facilitated the delivery of this powerful warship. This wasn't just a technical achievement, it was a massive diplomatic win. Back in 2016, India signed a deal with Russia for two advanced Kriva 3 class frigates, part of the larger Talwar class series. These ships are among the most advanced in the world, designed for stealth and equipped with powerful missile systems. But here's where things get tricky. While Russia was to build the ships, the gas turbines that power them come from Ukraine. And at the time India placed its order, the geopolitical situation was very different from what it is today. Fast forward to 2024, and India found itself in a difficult situation. The engines for these warships, which were already delayed due to the ongoing war, had to be delivered from Ukraine to Russia. As you can imagine, getting Ukrainian-made turbines into Russia while the two countries are at war wasn't a simple task. But India, in a move that demonstrates its diplomatic agility, was able to work behind the scenes to ensure that the necessary components were delivered to Russia so the ship could be completed. India played the role of a mediator between two nations at war, facilitating this high-stakes military transaction. And, despite the complex political environment, India's efforts led to the successful completion and delivery of the INS Tushil, a ship that will significantly enhance its naval capabilities. Let's talk more about the INS Tushil itself. This is no ordinary warship. The ship is 125 meters long, weighs 3,900 tons, and is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including advanced stealth capabilities that make it hard to detect on radar. Its armament includes Indian-made missiles, which, although their specific details are kept under wraps, are considered some of the most advanced in India's defense arsenal. Once commissioned, INS Tushil will be a part of the Indian Navy's Western Fleet, also known as the Sword Arm. This fleet is responsible for securing India's western maritime borders, particularly against threats from China. As China's naval power continues to grow at an alarming rate, India's need for modern, powerful warships like INS Tushil has never been more urgent. With China now having one of the largest and fastest-growing navies in the world, India must ensure it has the naval strength to defend its interests in the Indian Ocean. What makes the INS Tushil delivery even more impressive is the way India managed to turn a challenging geopolitical situation into a diplomatic success. Imagine being in India's shoes. You have a critical military order, but you're caught between two of your key suppliers who are at war with each other. Most countries would have walked away from this situation, or at the very least, faced significant delays. But India didn't just wait. It acted decisively to get the turbines delivered to Russia, essentially playing the role of a diplomatic intermediary. This isn't the first time India has had to navigate tricky diplomatic waters when it comes to defense deals. India has long had a relationship with Russia in the defense sector. And in recent years, it has also strengthened ties with Ukraine, especially in terms of defense technology. By facilitating this crucial transaction, India not only got its warship but also strengthened its position as a global leader in diplomacy. It showed that India is not only able to make tough defense decisions, but also manage delicate international relations with skill and finesse. It's also worth noting that this delivery comes at a time when India's naval capabilities are being put to the test. With China's rapid naval expansion, India is facing a growing challenge in the Indian Ocean. The Chinese Navy is now one of the largest in the world, and India needs every edge it can get to protect its interests in the region. INS Tushil, with its advanced stealth and missile capabilities, will play a key role in countering China's growing presence. But more than that, this entire situation, the delivery of a Russian-built, Ukrainian-powered warship to India, is a testament to India's growing influence on the world stage. It shows that India has the ability to manage relationships between two countries at odds, ensuring its defense needs are met while maintaining its strategic partnerships. In the grand scheme of things, the delivery of INS Tushil is not just a military victory for India, but a diplomatic triumph. India has shown that it can work with multiple global powers, even in the most difficult of circumstances, to achieve its strategic goals. The ship will enhance India's naval capabilities, providing the country with the tools to respond to emerging threats, particularly from China. More importantly, India has demonstrated to the world that it's capable of navigating the complexities of international politics, including a war between two major powers, all while securing its own national security interests. This is a win that goes far beyond the completion of an order. It's a win for India's foreign policy and global standing. Now, I want to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think India's diplomatic maneuvering will inspire other countries to use similar strategies in the future? How do you think India's role in global defense will evolve as its military capabilities grow? And what about Russia and Ukraine? Do you think their cooperation on this project is a sign of things to come, or just a one-off in the middle of a war? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective on this fascinating story. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Past. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more insightful stories from around the globe. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed and keep watching the Daily Past.